my husband. Say hi, honey. Say what's up. Yeah, he's saying it in his mind. So you have to read his mind, guys.
He's camera shy.
Very camera shy. Let's take a look outside, see how the clouds look today. Haven't been out here all day. Yeah, see how the weather is looking. People hanging. You see all the trees. I love these trees over here. Well, at least the ones that got red in it. It's falling off. And I know I can't see nothing because it's blinding out here. So this here is my outside vlog. Bright as hell out here today. It's not another short, sweet, I look a hot mess vlog. Get in the house, Nathan. Yeah, so it's not much going on today. It's clear skies, no clouds, not one cloud in the sky. So we're just gonna head on in real quick and I'll have to go to the mailbox a little bit later. That's pretty much all I have to do. So I'll talk to you all soon. Bye, y'all. Say bye.
Bye.
Say peace.
Peace. Peace.